Majestical Petra, hidden away in the mountains for thousands of years, a must-see during your trip to Jordan. But did you know that, only 15 minutes away, you can find a much smaller version of Petra? Little Petra is believed to be a suburb of the greater Petra region, a transit and trading area where the big caravans heading to Petra could stop and rest. Just like Petra, you'll be walking through a sikh before entering the site. The site comprises of tombs and dining halls on the ground floor, elaborate stairs leading to houses in the mountains and recently discovered dining halls. There is a monastery, water channels and warehouses. In one of the caves you will find recently restored frescos. If you walk all the way to the back of Little Petra, you'll be rewarded with a spectacular view. In case you prefer to camp while visiting Petra, there are many Bedouin camps nearby. The Amarin Bedouin camp is run by the local Bedouin Amarin tribe. By visiting their camp, you get an authentic Bedouin experience, and you can help them keep their Bedouin traditions alive. Whether you decide to visit Little Petra at the beginning or at the end of your trip, it is definitely worth your time.